Hi, I'm Joseph Wong, and this is part 1 of my storytelling series, explaining why you should use storytelling as much as you can if you wish to win over any audience. There's a good deal of psychology that goes behind why storytelling helps us become more successful communicators in any setting. Today I'd like to talk about avoiding coming across predictable. Let me ask you, if you know what's going to happen in a magic trick, would you enjoy watching it? The same holds true with presentations. If your audience knows what you're going to say, not only would they not enjoy your presentation, they might totally shut you out. Let's take this topic for instance, how AI is changing the way we live and work. A predictable way to start presenting this topic might be, "Good morning. My name is Joseph Wong, and I'm the founder of fanaticshow.com with 8 years of experience working with AI. Today, I'm going to talk about how AI is changing the way we live and work." In fact, if you ask ChatGPT precisely this prompt, you will probably get a methodical, factual, and predictable sequence of presentation. This opening is not wrong, but it is blah. And blah means you stand to lose half your audience in the first 2 minutes. So let me show you how storytelling helps you connect with your audience from the moment you stand in front of them. If I said I could take you on board the RMS Titanic on the night of 15 April 1912, yes, the night they hit the iceberg, would you like to come along with me? Imagine experiencing firsthand how the 2,000 plus passengers on board the doomed ocean liner felt before introducing the AI-generated Chloe versus History video series, and how this could change how schools teach history. And so I got everyone to want to know more about how AI has disrupted the way we live and work without introducing the title and without making the mistake of being predictable. Join me in part 2 when I talk about presenting every topic as a problem to solve. See you in part 2.